Hello, I'm Dr. Jonathan Embry. I'm the Director of Music and Principal Organist here at the Cathedral of St. Helena. It's been my honor and pleasure to be involved in this recording project for Ars Nova Press. We have a great library of sacred music, of very quality sacred music that we've been working on the past 2 nights recording. And we've been using some of my singers from the Cathedral Choir working in this beautiful space. Ars Nova Press has a great mission of promoting new sacred music for the church. We're very fortunate here at the Cathedral of St. Helena to have pastors who are very supportive of new music projects. During the Mass here, we have new pieces performed every week, and we're hoping to inspire other churches to be able to do the same. When I write new music for the church, I try to keep it connected to the tradition. So the style of music that I write tries to capture the mysticism of the Holy Mass while still being accessible and easy to sing.